Hey, Crafty family, and welcome to another video by She's So Crafty. It's Shopping Sunday, and we are headed to the Dollar Tree, and this week was filled with bargain hunting for my fourth round of those quarter deals. So let's dive into all of those clearance deals spotted this week. You need to grab a cart, and let's go hunting. So I went down the plus aisle to see if there was anything new, and I found this $5 LED Crackle Globe light. This is a Himalayan salt globe, 25 cents for this item. Over in the home decor, I found some items here. Look at these little cute votive candle jars. I found this one in like a deep burgundy color. It has a little metal leaf on it. That was scanning for a quarter. Right next to it, they have this orange one. It's got this really pretty texture on it. Also has that metal leaf on there. That one was also scanning for 25 cents. The green one next to it was also a quarter, you guys. Now, if you don't like these colors, which really kind of resemble fall, you can definitely paint or customize or craft with these. Before a quarter, what do you have to lose? These glass jars were also another find. So they say Happy Winter or Hello Winter on them. These have been around for a while, so they finally reduced them down to 25 cents. They have the little cork at the top. Again, a great item to decorate and craft with. Now, these were hanging out from the fall, and Dollar Tree left them on the shelf, so I definitely had to scan them. And yes, they were coming up for 25 cents. These can be used right into the spring that's coming. So yes, I'm so glad they left them on the shelf and I had a chance to scan them. But if you do still see these at your Dollar Tree, they are scanning for 25 cents. I did come across a box full of goodies. These are all 25 cents as well. So they have this little wood looking house frame that you can put pictures in. And I know you guys remember this MDF camera photo frame as well. This was also scanning for 25 cents. And they had a couple of different designs in this box. The next item they had was this little invitation frame. Now keep in mind, they have this in different colors, but only the rose gold was scanning for 25 cents. So keep that in mind. For Father's Day next year, grab one of these super dad frames. I grabbed this one and scanned it. It was coming up for a quarter. This also is a quarter too. This is a countdown to a wedding, but it says days until the big day. Who knows what the big day is, but for a quarter, you can make that decision yourself. Now, this picture frame has been around a while as well, and this one was also scanning for 25 cents, so make sure you grab that. Now, last video, I featured these little stemless wine glasses. I found the blue one. That's also a quarter. The peel and stick tile has been reduced, and let me show you which one. So this blue and white one was scanning for a quarter. Also, this one that looks like little tiles in the kind of brown colors, this one was also scanning for 25 cents. This classic Subway style that has been around for a while, this one was also a quarter at the scanner. And also they have this one. Now make sure it is the silver and not the gray because they look really close, but the silver one is scanning for a quarter. Make sure it does match this barcode if you're grabbing the silver. But yes, this one is a quarter as well, and I use these so much in my crafts. Now over in the dishware, I found a couple of dishes that were a quarter. This Home Sweet Home salad plate, you guys, 25 cents. And this was the only plate from this collection on my shelf. So I'm waiting to see if we get more. Now, this is also a quarter. These are melamine plates. This one says enjoy the journey with a gray and white theme. Then if you want a blue and white theme, they have gather here with grateful hearts. These are melamine and they're both scanning for just 25 cents. Now here's another ceramic plate. Now these blue plates with a little dotted edge, these are coming up 25 cents. This is the salad plate. Now, I didn't find many of this collection, but I did find the mugs. So the mugs were also scanning for 25 cents. I believe the dinner plates and the bowls, maybe 25 cents as well, but I did not see any at my store at the time. So make sure when you see them, you scan them because they may be a quarter as well. These pot holders are a quarter. Now, only the blue in this style with the little hand pocket are a quarter. I tried the other colors. They're full price. This one is a quarter. It has that silicone backing. Grab them for a quarter and you can get them and stock up. Another item in the kitchenware section is this. This is that foil backsplash. Now, all four of these designs are a quarter, but I only saw the one with the lemons at my store, and I saw the other one with blue. But make sure you check your Dollar Trees because these are scanning at 25 cents. For storage, these little red and black buffalo check containers are scanning for a quarter. They have a couple of different designs, but yes, they're all scanning for just 25 cents. Another item is this in red and black check. These are lanyards with a little hook on the end. Now these are the Juncture brand. I found them hanging up by the registers and they are a quarter as well. Also, these little hangers here for your scarves, these are a quarter. This was a random find for me. They are sold singly by each, but yes, 25 cents for one of these scarf hangers. Another Juncture item that was a quarter are these bags. So these are kind of a cotton material. They have one here. This one says Teacher Life on there. They also have this one here, Do What Makes You Happy, in purple and white. Another one right behind that is this one. So this one is straight out of Patience, referencing mom life. These are just a quarter at the register. Another Juncture item are these scarves too. Now I'm finding random scarves around the store, but these ones here scan for just a quarter. There's so many things you can do with scarves, but for a quarter, it's definitely a deal that you can grab up and give as a gift or even craft with. Check out these soaps in health and beauty. This was a random box just sitting on the aisle. So I said, what the heck? I'm going to scan it. And yes, these are 25 cents. Now they are 2.8 ounce a piece. I think the decoration and the design of the packaging is nice. Great to just add as a gift bag or gift box filler. For a quarter, definitely a deal. Now, another soap that I found is by this Viva's brand. Now, this is a moisturizing body bar. Now, I did see that the facial bar is also 25 cents, but my Dollar Tree only had the body bar. But for a quarter, you could stock up on these soaps. Another item you can use for health and beauty are these hot and cold eye pads. Now, these are like a jelly-filled item. It has a little glitter. You can get hearts. You can get stars. They had a couple of them. I think that these are rollovers from last year, not in new inventory. So these were actually scanning at 25 cents. So make sure you check that out. See a lot of Freeman items being reduced, and this is the one that I found. This is a moisturizing gel mask. I hadn't seen that before, but that is also 25 cents. This was another popular item. This Onyx Bathhouse Beach Vacay. This is like a body scrub. It's a daiquiri and coconut oil scented. Oh my goodness, it smells so yummy. And it's only a quarter. Now, to keep those beauty blenders nice and clean, you can use this blender travel case. They had it in a shape of a pineapple and a lemon. These two are scanning for a quarter. Now, over in hardware, I'm finding shipping tape, full rolls. This is the large 55-yard roll, only the 55-yard roll. This is selling for 25 cents. Also, you remember the Snaps DIY, the super thick wet wipes? These are a quarter as well. I was really shocked. Just definitely scan random items. You never know what's going to come up for a quarter. In the electronics, these little squish lights. So this is the Squish Tap Unicorn light. Super cute. That was a quarter. And right next to it, they have the Squish Whale Tap light. I think these would be so fun for the kiddos' rooms. Really cute. Now, at another store, I found the puppy or the little dog one. That one is also a quarter. So a quarter each for all these little tap lights. Also in electronics, they have this. This is the wide angle smartphone lens that kind of clips onto your phone. This has been around at Dollar Tree for a while, so I definitely scanned it. And yes, it is coming up for just a quarter in case you're looking for something like that. Now, these car air fresheners in the shape of these large taxis is a quarter. Now, even if you don't like the scent or the scent is faint on these 25-cent items, add a couple drops of your favorite essential oils and you'll be able to utilize these again and give them a new life. So definitely check those out for just a quarter at Dollar Tree. Now, some of these little gift card boxes are scanning for 25 cents, and the one that I found was this green velvet one with a little bow on it. Not all of them are 25 cents, but I did scan this one, and yes, indeed, it did come up at a quarter. So definitely check each one and scan it on your app or in an in-store scanner. They also have these. This is the cake decorating 3-piece kits. Those are also a quarter. Now, these were interesting. So, these are chair decorations in the shape of little dinosaur tails. Now, these are not just fabric, they are plush. That means they are stuffed. And if you're having a dinosaur themed party, they have this in pink and they have it in purple. And yes, this is only a quarter. I found some more Juneteenth napkins as well. We all know these items are scanning for a quarter too. If you're looking for gift box filler, they have these bags or these little containers of gift box filler. These are also a quarter, as well as these roar blow up signs. Now, even if you don't need the word roar, if you need any of the letters, you can get 4 of them for just a quarter at Dollar Tree. Now, this was neat. So this is a sensory fidget trade board. I'm not exactly sure what this is for, but I'm sure the kiddos would probably be able to fill me in on this. But this was also a quarter in the toy section at the Dollar Tree. And if you are into the Forever Friends line at Dollar Tree, they have a 5-piece wig collection that you can swap out with your Forever Friends dolls. This set is only 25 cents. And then here's one of the friends here, but yes, they're only 25 cents. Now, this has to be one of the major scores. These are costumes. So these are Christmas themed costume. They feature all kinds of costumes like 3 Wise Men collection and everything. And these definitely caught my eye. Such great quality. They had several of these on the shelf. Now, these were hanging up in the plus section, but they were scanning at a quarter a piece. You guys, I was blown away trying to maintain my excitement. I did pick up a few of these, but yes, if you find these at your store, they are a quarter, so make sure you scan those as well. Over in the office supplies, these Bic pens here, I was surprised that these were a quarter as well. This is a 5-piece pen set, and these actually help suppress bacterial growth, which was interesting. Get those for a quarter. Also, the Ceresa pens, only the fine liner is 25 cents. And I found them in pink, but I'm hearing that green is also 25 cents as well. I did try red and purple. Those are regular price, but if you find the pink and maybe the green, those are a quarter. Now, these are interesting. Over by the wall decals, I found these switch plate cover stickers. I've never seen these before at Dollar Tree. It's funny because now that I find them, they're a quarter. So you decorate your light switch plates with these. These are little stickers, and I'm sure these can be repurposed for something else, but yes, definitely check these out as well for a quarter. Now, I am having a hard time finding a lot of the great socks, but I did find one pair of these Snuggadoo socks with the long tags. So that's what you got to look for, the longer tags. And yes, those are just 25 cents. In the food section, I found a couple of things. If you like freeze-dried sweet worms, I'm sure the kids are into this. They're by the brand So Good. Those are scanning for a quarter. And then all of the broken taco items are a quarter as well. But let me warn you, these things are hot. So if you like hot things like hot jalapenos and things, this might be right up your alley. It's all scanning for 25 cents. And these are items in the broken taco line. Also, Monster drinks. I found these. I was surprised to see the Monster drinks on clearance for 25 cents, but this is the Monster Tour water. Never seen that before. That is also a quarter. Now, make sure you find these deals on unmarked items. You have to make sure you download the Dollar Tree app on your mobile device or use an in-store price scanner if available at your location, because not every store is going to gather up the items for you. So the scanner will help you spot the goodies first. Now, if you missed my last Dollar Tree video featuring even more 25-cent finds, check it out now by clicking the link in the upper right-hand corner of this video, or click the link provided in the description box below. Now, stay tuned because I will be dropping a bonus video on Tuesday, the 23rd, with lots of new arrivals that I scored this week. Now, if you want to see the items that I've created with my Dollar Tree supplies, you can check out my Dollar Tree Crafts playlist with hundreds of projects that will inspire you to create too. Now listen, I hope you guys find these videos helpful to make your shopping experience easier about knowing about the latest arrivals, the price changes, and store updates at Dollar Tree. If this helps you, let me know by leaving a thumbs up, and be sure to leave a comment letting me know your latest scores. And also, don't forget to subscribe so you'll be notified ahead of time when we go live. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.